Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, on today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. It's a biggish envelope box. So let's unbox. Let's cut this. So this is from Amazon, guys. Most of our unboxing is from Amazon. Hello Amazon. Okay. And then
Not to cut your hands.
so they made it a bit hard to open.
Stronger.
So it's so strong. Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. 1 second. Put it here. Look at this, guys. It's Omelette Maker. Omelette. Oh my gosh, darling. You wanted to make omelette like this?
Yeah, because I can't make omelettes. I can only make scrambled egg. I start off making an omelette, but it turns into scrambled egg. And this was fairly cheap. It's only a small one. So I thought I'll get it and give it a go.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh, so there's an instruction how to do it.
Good. I need it. And I like the color.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Cute, my cute.
Yeah. It is so cute.
Careful, nothing falls down. It will damage the desk.
Wow, just like that.
It's tiny. I don't know how many eggs that will take.
One.
Maybe half an egg per side.
I think maybe 2 quail eggs. So that's cute. I thought this can be, that can come off.
Maybe one because they're heated. So
Yeah, because it's screwed in.
yeah, they should be heated top and bottom.
Yeah. So that's kind of cute. So maybe when it's on, this one lights up.
Yeah.
And this is a warning. It's hot. So you cannot put this in laminated surface. So this is made from UK.
Is it? I doubt it. Probably China.
Made in China.
Yeah. Most electrical items, cheap items come from
Oh,
China.
so it's sold by Mouse Limited. Essex. So it's good because this one is for UK plug.
Yeah.
Because if it's made in China, it's different, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is made in China.
Yeah, but they have them specially made for this country.
Oh, see. Okay. So that's it. So let's open it, guys. Oh, yeah, no.
No, just leave it closed.
See? So there's lines in there so you can make 2 omelettes.
Yeah.
And then close it together.
2 tiny omelettes.
Yeah. It's
Not enough to fill a gap in your tooth.
It's baby omelette. So this is the instruction. So it's a straightforward instruction. This is German instruction.
I hope that's English as well, otherwise it's no good.
And this is Italian. Spanish. Oh dear, there's no English.
Oh. You sure? Maybe in the front, the first page.
The first
Maybe
page.
skip the first page.
Read all instructions.
So maybe that's it.
Parts identification. Oh yeah, so that's it.
Yeah.
That's the English instruction, the first one. I don't know why I missed it.
Shouldn't be difficult to use anyway.
Yeah,
But you
because
just mix the egg, put it in there, close it, switch it on,
yeah,
wait for 3 to 5 minutes,
mm-hmm.
switch it off, take it out and eat it.
Yeah. Let me see how many minutes.
On the Amazon thing it's at 3 to 5 minutes, depending on whether you want it soft or hard.
Cook for about 2 to 4 minutes. So it depends if you want it a bit runny or half cooked.
Yeah. What I want to know is how many eggs can you put in there? Is it just 1 egg per compartment?
Just one. Looking
Very
at
small.
this, because if it's 2, then it's thicker.
Because normally when you make an omelette, it's supposed to be 3 omelettes per person. 3 eggs per person. So I can't see 3 eggs going in there.
I think it's only one.
Yeah.
Or because when you make omelette, it's puff, is it?
Yeah.
It puff. So you cannot fill up to the rim.
No, it will overflow.
So it's only just a few centimeters.
Yeah. So just 1 egg per compartment, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. Because when it puff, it fills here.
Should do.
Yeah. When it cook, but you cannot overfill this, or else it will overflow. So that's it. It's straightforward, darling. You have to do your instinct when you
Just
make omelette.
mix the eggs,
When you use this.
season them, mix them, pour it in there, close it up, switch it on.
And that's it.
Yeah, and then switch it off after 3 or 4 minutes.
So you think this is easier to use than the normal pan?
Yeah, you don't have to turn it, toss it, mix it in the pan. That's the difficult bit, when you have to turn it, which I can't do. So it turns into a scrambled egg.
Yeah, I think you have to brush it with oil.
On the Amazon it said you don't need to put any oil. But
really?
I would prefer to put a bit of butter and give it taste.
Let me say, because if there's no oil, will it stick?
Looks like a non-stick coating, isn't it?
It says, for best results, lightly coat the cooking plates with a little cooking oil.
Yeah, I prefer butter.
Or cooking spray.
Butter.
When your sandwich maker is heated for the first time, it may emit slight smoke or odor. This is normal. This does not affect the safety of your appliance.
Sandwich maker. Don't tell me it's a toaster. It says Omelette Maker on there.
Yeah, did I say sandwich?
Yeah.
Did I say that?
Yeah.
Yeah, when your sandwich maker is heated. But the picture is this.
Yeah.
It says sandwich maker. Yeah.
Unusual.
Close the sandwich maker and plug it into the wall outlet.
The box, it says Omelette Maker.
No, like this. Because you make the omelette and make sandwich.
Yeah.
See? But you cannot put the bread in. Only the omelette. You can make omelette. But so that's confusing because it's not sandwich maker.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let's try this and then let's see how it works.
Yes, we'll try it later at lunchtime.
Yeah, that's right. And you like the color.
Yes, that's why I bought it.
Yeah.
I was going to buy another one which was bigger and a well-known brand.
Yeah.
But that was silver, doesn't look very nice.
So this is from Amazon.
And yeah, and it didn't get very good reviews. This one only had 2 reviews, so we don't know. And it's a totally unknown brand.
Yeah, you can...
The other one they said breaks down after a few uses, so I hope this one is better.
Because I think it looks... This plug is a bit okay, so it's okay. It's like sturdy, so the fuse...
Yeah, depends on the actual thing inside the element.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You cannot see it. It's the element inside.
Yeah. Anyway, it wasn't expensive. Can't
Oh,
remember
so
that.
that's
Maybe about 15 pounds.
yeah.
Ish.
Because look, it's in here. The picture, it looks big. It looks huge.
Yeah, I thought it would be bigger than that as
And
well.
also this, you're thinking it's huge.
I thought it would be double the size when I
Mm,
saw it on Amazon.
yeah, it's only for commercial purposes.
Private
Yeah,
home use.
yeah, that's right. So anyway, they give you an idea how to use it.
Yeah.
There. So that's how it should be. That's how you will make. You can make a lot like this. You can make few thing, and then you cut it in pieces and then stack it up like that. All right, okay guys, so thank you for watching.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, and see you on our next video. Thank you. Ta-da! Love, love, love.